Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to wash your bundles before making your wig. That is if you choose to wash the bundles before making the wig. Sometimes I do this when I want to hasten things up. The hair comes like this. This is what the coils look like straight out of the box. So right now we're going to wash the hair. And I'll be showing you guys the product I use in washing my coily hair extension. So first I'm going to damp the hair in warm water, and I'll make sure that the hair is really damp, and then I'll apply shampoo on it. So the shampoo that I'll be using is from Fanola, and this is their reconstructing moisturizing shampoo. So I'm going to apply it and massage it into the hair. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just massaging it. That is basically how you should be washing your bundles or your wig. You massage the product into it and make sure you go from top to bottom to avoid it from tangling and all of that. So it's not that difficult. As you can see in this video, I try as much as possible to show you guys exactly what I'm doing, and I believe that you can see it clearly. So that's basically how you shampoo your extensions. Tell me say her boyfriend YC, man I feeling so icy, vibesy, man a bad man, you can call me YB, and I step in at the yard with no ID, and we a bossy down with no Ivy, see the girl them pull up. So right now I'm using the same lukewarm water to rinse off the shampoo, and you want to make sure that you get rid of the shampoo thoroughly. And after that, I'll make sure that I use my hand to drill out the water. You really want to make sure that you don't have too much water on the hair before applying your deep conditioner. That way it can penetrate into the hair properly. Right now I'm going to be using this deep conditioner from Fanola, and this is their coily hair deep conditioner. Guys, I love this deep conditioner so much. I love it for my coily hair. It's very moisturizing, and it makes your coils to really pop. I'll be massaging this product into the hair thoroughly, and I'll use my brush to brush the hair starting from the tip all the way to the top.
Money comes to me easily, money comes to me fast, money loves my company, when money comes it lasts. Peace comes to me easily, peace comes to me fast, peace loves my company, when peace comes it lasts. Joy comes to me easily, joy comes to me fast, joy loves my company, when joy comes it lasts. Money comes to me easily, money comes to me fast, money loves my company, when money comes it lasts. Peace comes to me easily, peace comes to me fast, peace loves my company, when peace comes it lasts.
Money comes to me easily, money comes to me fast, money loves my company, when money comes.
I'm going to leave the deep conditioner on the hair for at least 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off.
Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, His body baby, oh, hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing. Bulaka, see.
So guys, this is about 10 to 15 minutes later. So I'm going to be rinsing it out using cold water from my tap, as you can see in this video.
So no delay, no delay. By the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jar little, I'm a jar little. Say we getting paid, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. bad man. Bossing all the place, them are wanting more. Them are wanting more. See, bossing all the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them a throw the party. In a me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bossing all the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby, make me feel alright.
I'll be using the same diamond brush to brush the hair. As you can see, the coils are really popping. So I'll repeat the same process on the rest of the bundles. And when I'm done, I'm going to hang it somewhere in a cool place. I'm not going to hang it where there is heat or sun, just in a cool place. I usually do this in the bathroom. I'll just hang it in the bathroom for it to air dry. So I'll be showing you guys the hair, what it looks like after allowing it to air dry for a day.
Original, 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 original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me when I get that.
So guys, this is the next day after allowing the hair to air dry, and you can see the coils are really popping and bouncy and looking so soft. So I'm going to be making these bundles into a wig, and if you're interested in that video, kindly stay tuned to my channel. That video will be coming up next or soon. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
For a man, I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. I on the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. I them really wanna stress up on me, bad man, them really can't stress up on me.